Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your old CSR2 account on your game. So let's get started right away. In order to restore your old CSR2 account, first of all open up the Google Play Store. Then from the application menu, search for Google Play Games. And when you find it, tap on the install button if you haven't installed it already. Once you install the application, tap on the open button and proceed with logging into your Google Play Games account using your Google ID. After you have logged into your Google Play Games account, in which you have your previous game progress saved, you can go ahead and open up the CSR2 game. And now you will find that you will automatically be logged into your account and your old account progress will be restored. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to restore your old CSR2 game save account on your game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.